Hi guys, my name is Peter and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to talk about a Buda IDE adapter for Amiga 2000, 3000 and I believe it also is going to work for 4000. Pretty much what the card do. It uses a Zora slot and pretty much, let me put it this way, it will convert it to IDE ports. It has two ports. And in that case you can use it 2.5 hard drive, or you can use it compact flash card, like in my case. Pretty much from same place I pick it up a Buda card, IDE cable, adapter, and a compact flash card for 16 GB. One thing I was really needed, extension cable to supply power from main power supply to that little compact flash IDE adapter, and that's I made my own. Otherwise it's straightforward installation. I mean, you have to be pay attention. It depends what system you do have, to make sure you plug that card in the right direction, because if you flip it and you for example, I got 3000, and if you connect that board which upside down, the components will face it down, it will burn it a fuse. Then you have to fix it. And same thing on a 2000. You have to make sure you install it right way. I don't remember right now where the component's supposed to be faced. Because on 2000, those Zora slots, it's located on a motherboard like that instead. The way on a 3000. Anyway, like I said, it's pretty simple installation. You just have to pay attention. Then if you first time installing compact flash card, you have to use the dongle on port 1, which is the left port. I believe it's called port 1. And there's a simple straightforward instruction. You just click it yes, pick it which Kickstarter, actually Workbench, I'm sorry I said Kickstarter, Workbench, install it. On this dongle, it's a 1.3, 2.1 and 3.1 license. The Workbench is ready installed. Pretty much it will format it and all necessary files will install it on a compact flash. Like I said, it's straightforward, but I'd like to mention one thing which did take me by surprise. I was kind of if I'm getting bigger card, no problem, the device will format it and break it by a partition. For example, if you got 16 GB card, it will make it 4 partition. It actually doesn't work that way. It doesn't matter if you have a 4 GB card, 8 GB card, 16 GB card, it will partition it only for two, it will format it, but only 2 partition. First partition it's gonna be like 512 megabytes, and another one's gonna be not gonna fill it up rest. It's gonna be, I forget what it was. If it's a 4 GB card, it will be over 3000 megabyte. If it's like my case, 16 GB, the second partition it was a little over 2 gigabytes. It was not 4 GB or slightly under 4 GB. Anyway, I'm gonna power it right now Amiga, and I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay guys, pretty much like I did mention it in my case, since I'm using 16 GB card, when first time I did go through, it did created only 2 folders. I believe the Workbench and the games, or it was called something else. And then when I open it, like right now it shows 3748 megabytes. Before it was like, I believe it was close to 2000 or so, and there's no other folders. And I was kind of confusing why it's only 2 partition and both partition is less than 3 gigabytes. And basically, if you go in Workbench, then tools, then hard drive tools, and you have to create other partitions. Let me show you. then you click the partition, and here was that 511. It was from beginning when it did format it, but all rest space, it was one single partition, and like I said, it was close to 2000 megabytes or so. And basically you create each partition, I mean you adjust it right to 4 gigabytes, like this one right now it's at 4095. Then you click it next partition and you select it empty space. This one for 4095, this one is 4092, and last one is 2595. And then you click it OK, and then when you're done, of course you save it, and then you will see, pretty much in my case, 3 more folders. Of course they did not format it to Amiga format. You will have to do it. And if you have Amiga 3000 with Workbench 2.1, I believe there is no fast format. What I did, I pulled out card, put it in my connected to my laptop using WinUAA emulator, and just fast format it and call good. Otherwise, like I said, the Buddha card or adapter, in my opinion, it's well worth it, especially if you do have a vintage Amiga 3000, 2000, or I believe in 4000. Like I said, in my opinion, it's well worth it. It's quite neat device. It helps you transfer files from your Amiga to PC, from PC to Amiga, much easier and quicker. Well guys, that's a short kinda review slash my opinion. I hope you guys do like it. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't want to miss any future videos, subscribe. We will really appreciate it.